Hello, my name is Katie Rose Messmore, and I am the Principal Trainer for Solutions Digital Strategies. Here at Community Health Network, we want your experience to be exceptional, no matter how you communicate with your care team. One way that we are doing that is by improving the capabilities of MyChart. This video is going to show you how to e-check-in for your appointments. You can e-check-in up to 72 hours before your appointment begins. We suggest that you check in no later than 30 minutes before your appointment begins to give you the proper time to complete the e-check-in process.
You can sign in to your MyChart account from your mobile device, a laptop, or a desktop. If you are using a mobile device to sign into your MyChart, download the Community mobile app. Once downloaded onto your phone, tap the icon to enter the app. Then, tap the MyChart icon to access your MyChart. If you have a MyChart account, type in your username and password and tap on the Sign In button. If you do not have a MyChart account, but you have an activation code from your enrollment letter or provider, tap on the I Have an Activation Code button. If you do not have an activation code, tap the I Need an Activation Code button and follow the directions to set up your MyChart. If you are using a desktop or laptop to sign into your MyChart, go to the ecommunity.com website and click on the MyChart Sign In link in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. If you have a MyChart account, click on the Sign In tab, enter your username, your password, and click Sign In to MyChart. If you do not have a MyChart account, click on the Register tab. If you have an activation code from your enrollment letter or provider, click Register with Code. If you do not have an activation code, click Sign Up here and follow the directions to set up your MyChart. Log into MyChart and hover over the Visits icon. Click Appointments and Visits. Your appointment is going to appear in the Upcoming Visits section. Click ECheck-In to start the check-in process. The first page is where you will verify your personal information. At the top of the page, you will verify that your contact information is accurate. If you would like to receive text notifications for this visit, click in the box next to Send me text notifications for this visit. You will then verify your personal information. To edit the information in each box, you can click the Edit button. Notice that the Next button is not live at this time. This is because we have not verified that our information is correct. Once all information is correct, click the This Information is Correct box, and notice that now our Next button is live. We can click it to move on to the next page. In the Payments section, you will have the option to pay your outstanding balance, pay another amount, or pay outstanding balances later. Select the option that you would like to move forward with and click Continue. On the insurance page, we will verify our guarantor by answering yes to the first question. Select the correct button on whether or not you would like to use insurance for this visit in the second question. We will then verify that our information for our insurance is correct. If this information needs updated, click the Update Coverage button. If this information needs to be removed, click the Remove Coverage button. If you need to add an insurance card photo, click on the Add Insurance Card Photo button and attach the photo to the insurance. You can add a coverage by clicking on the Add a Coverage button. Once all information is correct, click the This Information is Correct checkbox and click Next to go on to the next page. We will now verify our travel history. If you have taken any trips outside of the country, click Add a Trip button and document that trip. Once all information is correct, click the This Information is Correct checkbox and click Next. On the medications page, your review will consist of your medications. If you need to remove a medication, click the Remove button on that medication. If you need to add a medication, click the Add a Medication button. At the bottom of the page, you can select the pharmacy that you would like to use for this visit. Once all information is correct, click the This Information is Correct button and click Next. On the Allergies page, you will review and verify your allergies listed. If you need to remove an allergy, hover over the allergy and click the Remove button. If you need to add an allergy, click the Add an Allergy button. Once all information is correct, click on the This Information is Correct button and click Next to continue. On the Health Issues page, you will review and verify your health issues listed. If you need to remove a health issue, hover over the issue and click Remove. If you need to add a health issue, click the Add a Health Issue button. Once all information is correct, click the This Information is Correct button and click Next to continue. The last section to complete is the Questionnaires section. There can be multiple questionnaires that a patient might need to answer. The questionnaires can appear for a variety of reasons. For example, all patients will answer the Communicable Disease Screening Questionnaire, but only our Medicare patients will answer the Medicare Secondary Payer Questionnaire. Navigate through the questionnaire and answer the questions. When you get to the bottom of the questionnaire, click the Continue button. You will then be taken to a summary of the questions that you answered and the answers that you chose. To the right of each question is a blue pencil. If while reviewing the information you feel like your answer is not accurate, you can click on the blue pencil to modify your answer. Once you are pleased with your responses, you will click the Submit button. All questionnaires will follow the same process of answering questions, reviewing the responses, and then submitting your responses. Your ECheck-In is now complete. To see appointment details and to request a reminder call from your office, click the Appointment Details button. Click the Confirm button to receive a reminder call for your appointment. If you are meeting with your provider via video visit and need further direction on how to complete your video visit, please visit ecommunity.com to view the video visit workflow recording. Thank you for watching our ECheck-In video. If you would like to access step-by-step paper directions on how to complete ECheck-In, please visit ecommunity.com to download our MyChart ECheck-In workflow tips and tricks.